Hi, I'm Joanne from Muddaritaville Studio. Today I'm stenciling two dollar store tea towels with some fun kitchen sayings. For our setup, we folded the tea towel in half and put a piece of card in the middle to prevent paint from bleeding through. We're using Fusion Mineral Paint. The color is Midnight Blue. We always load paint on our stencil brush and then we offload the excess paint, leaving us with a very dry brush. You'll notice I'm holding the stencil in place with painter's tape across the bottom. I like to use this hinge technique so I can view my progress if wanted. If you prefer, you can use a stencil adhesive to an adhesive spray to hold your stencil in place. Here I'm just filling in a couple of spots where the paint coverage was light, and then I'm going to reveal the towel to you. Here's the image of the finished towel in my kitchen. And here is the stencil for towel number two. For towel number two, I started off tapping, but then I decided to move to my favorite method, which is a swirl method. It's very important to apply very little pressure, especially when on fabric with this. I use the term a feather light application. To finish off number two, I'm adding a little bit of red accent to the design. I'm using Fusion Fort York Red. And here's stencil. Here's towel number two in my kitchen. I love it.